Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to solve Bluetooth problem in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to solve guys your Bluetooth problem setting means guys when you connect any device guys, Bluetooth device, it do not connect, it disconnect. So guys, how can you solve your Bluetooth problem guys, and guys how can you reset your Bluetooth setting in your Vivo phone? In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So guys, now let's see how to solve Bluetooth problem. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to solve your Bluetooth problem, and guys scroll it, and guys you can see your system setting, this second last. So guys tap here, and guys scroll, guys reset option, tap here, guys click on reset setting. So guys you can see your Bluetooth reset setting, and guys reset setting again. Setting has been reset in your Vivo phone, then guys you can use your Bluetooth guys without any problem. And guys after that guys you have any problem in your Bluetooth setting, so guys don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.